Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going over the stocks that I traded today. So to begin with, if we take a look at Apple, as we can see, we have it up. Everyone knows what has been going on, coronavirus and whatnot. So to begin with, Apple, I took a couple trades on Apple, but my last trade was at 277.96. So if we take a line and go 277.96. Alright, as you can see, I was anticipating a breakout of this high. I like this trade because this was its previous resistance. It had a resistance level, tried breaking out, resistance level once again. So then this resistance line was becoming a new support line. I bought on this green bar, anticipating a high and a continuation of the move. But as you can see, Apple had a big pullback. It's now back to VWAP. I minimized my losses, but I don't think this was a bad trade necessarily. It was a good idea. We just didn't have a continuation in the the market to the upside, and I got took out. So now one thing I did do wrong was by overtrading. Overtrading where I went wrong on this day. But we're gonna skip these two and just go to BP because these two are just like small losses and small winners. So just looking at the main trades, if we take a look at BP, I took a trade, a position at 25.39. So if we get a line and put 25.39, we can see I entered at 25.39 long. I had my stop at 25.28. So I was risking about 10 cents on this trade. Had an initial push up, pulled back, had a continuation of its move. Great trade. Got about 2 to 1 on that trade. Great trade. Nothing to complain about. Stuck to my plan. Had a nice stop loss. Real support was up here. So I mean, if it would have pulled back, it probably would have took me out and then had a continuation. But just took to 10 cents. Waited for a pullback, confirmation, and just took that position. So that was that. And Oxy, I took a position on Oxy short. I took it short 15.39. So 15.39. Oh, 17.03. Alright, so this was really dumb of me. So I took it at 17.03, as you can see on this consolidation. I had a stop loss at 17.90 originally, but I was gonna keep it 2 cents under the whole number, 90 cents, just so I can give it some leg room. I wanted to get in at 17. I got filled in at 17.03 on this little spike. Came back, never touched my stop, and I just got out. I just got out before it never even touched my stop. I just got out. So terrible trade management. Got out for $132 loss and ended up going up 5 to 1 on my trade. So that could have been a $700 trade. Um and I just messed up. I got emotional. My ego got in the way, and just bad trade management, honestly. So that was that. And this is where I really messed up on Tesla. On Tesla, now I was taking good trades on Tesla, but I let it come back way too much on me, which led me to have a bigger loss than normal. Um, if I did sell where I was supposed to, I should have got out of these trades with a smaller loss, but I didn't. So 66.37.30. I took a position at 637.30. Now this is one of my trade of two. So if we put that line right there, um, took a position here on this candle, 11:55, anticipating a move and a continuation of the SPY at that moment. Um, we had a false breakout, had my stop here, ended up getting stopped out. I thought I was doing a good trade. I think it was a good trade. It was a good idea. Now, what I did wrong was not getting back in on the second retest of this level, which was the wrong thing. But as you can see, there's a support level, acted as a resistance level. Um, should have wait, should have waited. Honestly, chasing. That's probably chasing. I mean, it really doesn't look like chasing to me. But now maybe my ego's getting in the way. But but I had a resistance right here. Came back, resistance acted as a support. I anticipated a move. It didn't happen. Got out. That's it. So now today where I messed up is I had almost 2R on the day and gave it all away and ended up um 2R down on the day. So that's what happens when you trade emotionally. Um that's what happens when you let your ego get in the way. You just make bad decisions, and I'm making this video cuz I want to learn from it and I want to move forward as a trader, and I don't want to do this as much cuz I know stuff will happen, and it'll happen again. 100% it's going to happen. Mistakes will happen, but I don't want to go from making 2R all the way down to 2R. Now I could have finished the day up $60, up a little more than 1R. I mean, a little less than 1R or break even. I could have stopped at break even. That could have been that's, that could be a plan, but I let it come all the way down to my max loss. So that's where I messed up. Today was a good day. I'm gonna learn from this, and get, I will be better. I'll trade better. I'm gonna trade better in the future, and we're just gonna move forward. We're not gonna let this beat us up too much, and we're just gonna move forward as a human and move forward as a trader. And I hope you guys, if you're having struggles, I hope you guys move forward too. It's not the end of the world. There will be another market day. There always gonna be another market day. So just refresh yourself, um, and just come back with an empty mind. So that concludes this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and thumbs up, and subscribe. And if you enjoyed, that would help a lot tremendously. So thanks for watching.